In this amazing video from Smart Nature, I will talk about some of the most dangerous animals in the wild. Creatures so powerful that even the mighty Komodo dragon, the apex predator of its island habitat, isn't safe from them. One side we have the Komodo dragon, a giant lizard equipped with venomous saliva, sharp teeth, and unmatched stealth. On the other, we will explore six animals that are either stronger, smarter, or better equipped to kill a Komodo dragon under the right circumstances. You might already know a lot about Komodo dragons, or maybe you don't, but let me tell you this. They are ruthless predators that dominate their ecosystems, taking down deer, water buffaloes, and sometimes even humans. So, what happens when a Komodo dragon faces animals that can fight back or are deadlier? What if they come across a beast with the size, speed, or intelligence to overpower them? Who would win in these incredible battles for survival? You are about to find out. First, let's talk about the saltwater crocodile. These massive reptiles are not just bigger than Komodo dragons, they are in a league of their own, growing up to 23 feet in length and weighing over 1000 kilograms. Saltwater crocodiles dominate the rivers and coasts of Southeast Asia and Australia. With the strongest bite force in the animal kingdom, a staggering 3700 psi, they can crush bones and drag massive prey into the water with ease. If a Komodo dragon were to encounter one of these giants near a river or coastline, it wouldn't stand a chance. While the Komodo dragon might attempt to fight back with its sharp teeth and venomous bite, the crocodile's size, power, and aquatic advantage would overwhelm it quickly. A single bite from the crocodile could crush the Komodo dragon and end in the battle in an instant. Now imagine tiger, one of the most dangerous predator on land, going up against a Komodo dragon. Tigers are apex predators in parts of Indonesia, including Sumatra, where their habitat overlaps with the dragons. Weighing up to 300 kilograms, tigers are known for their incredible strength, speed, and stealth. A tiger could easily overpower a Komodo dragon with its agility, delivering a fatal bite to the Komodo dragon's neck or crushing its windpipe with a single swipe of its powerful claws. However, the Komodo dragon is no pushover. It has venom that can cause blood loss and infection. But in most cases, a tiger's superior speed, intelligence, and raw power would allow it to avoid a deadly bite and emerges as the victor in this confrontation. Next up, we have the reticulated python, the longest snake in the world. These snakes are native to Southeast Asia and Indonesia, where their territories often overlap with Komodo dragons. Reticulated pythons are ambush predators that can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh over 250 kilograms. They rely on their immense strength to constrict their prey, wrapping their muscular body around their victims until they suffocate. If a python were to encounter a Komodo dragon, the outcome would depend on who it strikes first. If the python can avoid the dragon's venomous bite and coil around it, the Komodo dragon wouldn't stand a chance. However, if the dragon bites first, the python could succumb to the venom before it has the chance to finish the fight. The water buffalo is another animal that can kill a Komodo dragon. Even though it isn't a predator, these massive herbivores can weigh up to 1200 kilograms and are known for their aggression and powerful horns. Komodo dragon often hunt water buffaloes by biting them and then waiting for their venom to take effect. Over time, the venom causes infection, blood loss, and eventually death, but water buffaloes don't go down without a fight. They can charge a Komodo dragon, delivering devastating kicks or goring the lizard with their sharp horns. In many cases, water buffaloes have killed Komodo dragons before succumbing to the venom, proving that even prey animals can be deadly under the right circumstances. Another fearsome animal that could take down a Komodo dragon is the leopard. While leopards are smaller than tigers, they are no less deadly. These big cats are stealthy, agile, and incredibly strong for their size. Found in parts of Southeast Asia, leopards can ambush and kill animals much larger than themselves. If a leopard were to encounter a Komodo dragon, it could use its agility to avoid the dragon's venomous bite, while delivering precise and powerful attacks. Leopards are known to target the necks of their prey, which could be a decisive move against the Komodo dragon. Although they don't often cross paths in the wild, a leopard's speed, stealth, and killing precision make it a serious threat to the mighty lizard. Finally, we come to humans, the deadliest species on the planet. Equipped with intelligence, tools, and technology, humans have hunted Komodo dragons for centuries. While a Komodo dragon could potentially kill a human if caught off guard, humans have the advantage of strategy and weapons. In modern times, humans pose an even greater threat to Komodo dragons through habitat destruction and poaching. Despite the dragon's venomous bite and fearsome reputation, humans remain the ultimate apex predator, capable of taking down virtually any species, including the Komodo dragon. While these six animals are the most likely to kill a Komodo dragon, there are few other animals could succeed under the right circumstances. For example, the king cobra, with its highly venomous bite, could potentially kill a Komodo dragon if it strikes first and avoids retaliation. Wild boars, with their sharp tusks and aggressive nature, could fatally wound a Komodo dragon in self-defense. Honey badgers, known for their fearlessness and tough skin, might also stand a chance against the dragon. Eagles, particularly large birds of prey like the crested serpent eagle, often target juvenile Komodo dragons, using their powerful talons to deliver fatal blows. Even packs of stray dogs, using their numbers and persistence, could potentially overwhelm a Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is an incredible predator, dominating its habitat with venom, stealth, and raw power. However, as we have seen, even the mighty Komodo dragon is not invincible. From the terrifying bite of a saltwater crocodile to the sheer strength of a tiger, these are animals that can take down this fearsome lizard. But nature is unpredictable. The survival often depends on the circumstances of the encounter. Whether it's a crocodile, tiger, or even a human, every animal has its strengths and weaknesses. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Smart Nature for more amazing animal content. See you next time.